If you're like me who does not particularly enjoy reading books, or if you do and just overall want to know what books to read and not waste time reading mediocre books, then I have a good list of books for you. You'll want to stick around as I give you a quick summary of each book and how it helped me so you can imagine each book in your life and if it's worth your time. These are overall one of the most popular books, and I carefully selected them as I don't really like reading books, but I appreciate what I learned from it if it deserves my time. My hope is that by the end of this video, you have a good understanding what each book is about, and you can jump into learning more about business and bettering your life. So let me know what your favorite books are about entrepreneurship and business in the comments down below. Here are the best books I've read when wanting to get into business world, what they gave me and how it could potentially help you. $100 Million Leads and Offers by Alex Hormozi, two separate books. They focus on generating significant revenue by mastering the art of lead generation and crafting irresistible offers. And Hormozi provides actionable strategies and insights for entrepreneurs like me and you to scale the business to the 100 million mark by optimizing the lead generation and offer creating process. It's what I've read more recently, and it's one of my favorites so far. So if you're not reading any of the next books I'm mentioning, make sure to at least read these two from Alex Hormozi, because these are the books that gave me the last push to start my business and optimize by 1% at a time. And the next book is Crushing It by Gary Vee. Gary emphasizes the importance of leveraging social media platforms to build a personal brand and grow a successful business. He offers practical advice and case studies to inspire entrepreneurs to harness the power of social media to amplify their message and reach the target audience effectively. Gary gave me clear insight of how important personal branding is on social media and how he discovered it early on. And I think this will only get more important as time goes on. Then there's the book Pitch Anything by Oren Klaff. He breaks down the psychology of pitching and teaches us how to present the ideas persuasively to secure investment, partnerships, or sales. He introduces the concept of frame control and provides techniques for captivating an audience and winning them over with compelling pitches. It's not about tricking people, it's about knowing the psychological human nature and the best way to approach people when you want to pitch your product or service to them that they don't know they need yet. Then there's Unshakable by Tony Robbins. He provides a comprehensive guide to achieving financial freedom and stability through smart investing and strategic planning. He offers actionable advice for navigating the complexities of the financial market and building a secure financial future, empowering small business owners to take control of their financial destinies. It's one of many pieces of information you need to absorb for it to be common knowledge in your daily thinking. Without pounding this kind of teachings in your head, you won't take necessary steps. The next book is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Through personal anecdotes and practical lessons, Kiyosaki contrasts the financial mindset of his rich dad and poor dad to illustrate the importance of financial literacy and investment education. He encourages readers to adopt the mindset of the wealthy and take calculated risks to build wealth and achieve financial independence. It's a staple book which everyone knows about and should have read by now. Again, a book that just shapes your mindset over time. One book, speech, or video is not enough to change your broke ways. That's why you need a lot of books or videos, podcasts in your arsenal. The next one is Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. So he explores the mindset and beliefs that separate the wealthy from the rest, offering insights into the psychology of success and abundance. He provides actionable strategies for rewiring one's thinking patterns to adopt the habits and behaviors of millionaires, empowering small business owners to unlock their full potential for financial success. The next one is No More Dreaded Mondays by Dan Miller. He offers practical advice for finding passion and purpose in one's career or entrepreneurial pursuit. pursuit. He guides readers through a process of self-discovery to identify their unique talents and interests, helping them create a fulfilling and rewarding career path that aligns with their values and goals. And then another book is Primal Branding by Patrick Henlon. He introduces the concept of primal branding and outlines the 7 elements that form the foundation of successful brand building. So like Gary, he offers insights into how businesses can create meaningful connections with their audience by tapping into universal human emotions and storytelling techniques, empowering small business owners to establish strong and enduring brands. Then there's the 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss. He challenges conventional notions of work and productivity, advocating for a lifestyle design approach that prioritizes efficiency, automation, and outsourcing. He offers practical strategies for optimizing time and resources to achieve more with less effort, empowering small business owners to create businesses that provide freedom and flexibility. This is something I'm still heavily working on, because you start as being the worker who does it all, but sooner than later you need to start outsourcing employees and just building towards business automation. So it's every business owner's dream that when achieved gives you the high value business you desire and you can sell. Then Trump, The Art of Deal by Donald J. Trump and Tony Schwartz. Trump shares his insights and strategies for negotiating deals and achieving success in business and real estate. He offers anecdotes and lessons from his own experiences to illustrate the principles of deal making and entrepreneurship, providing practical advice for small business owners looking to navigate negotiations and seize opportunities. If you're into business, you probably like Trump and understand he knows what he's talking about. Always listen to business advice from people doing better than you, because they just know more than you. And then the last book I threw in here is You Don't Have to Learn the Hard Way by J.R. Parrish. He draws on his own experiences and lessons learned to offer practical advice for young adults like me and you, entering the workforce or starting their own business. He provides guidance on personal development, career planning, and financial management, empowering readers to navigate challenges and achieve success on their own terms. I personally met the author and he gifted me this book, which gave me valuable insights into his life and overall wealth mindset. It may not be on the bestseller list, but I personally enjoyed the teachings I got out of it. It should be clear to you by now that these books are similar, but you need different insights to guide and transform your thinking for your own benefit. None of these books are specific either, so it is a mindset you need to adopt first, that you form for yourself, and only then you can think like them to apply it to anything you do or want to do. And if it's books, podcasts, or videos, let as much information into your brain as you can, so you can let go of your fear that keeps you broke. The wealthy understand the calculated risk that needs to be taken and how risky doing nothing is. It's even more dangerous than trying and failing as you grow old and regret the inaction. Let me know, are any of these books on your list? And what other books have helped you get invaluable information? I'd like to see what you guys are reading or watching. And please hit that subscribe button if you found value in this video. And stay tuned for weekly videos covering small business aspects from a multitude of angles. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.